Welcome. This video I'll show you how to create a menu here with a Showit. Okay, so if you want to create a this one like a hamburger menu or a drop-down menu, we have a separate video for that. And as we all know, we have a ton of menus like a centered layout navigation, footer, horizontal, full screen, interactive, and a vertical sidebar menu. Okay, now for this example, we're going to want to create a mega menu. Okay, so a mega menu provides a large collection of navigation links for users. Okay, for example, in here at the top at our header, click on main site and of course select header. Now let's just go ahead and add in an element, which is a text, or if you want to, it could be an icon or a shape, however you like it. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and use in text. Okay, for example, this one, I'm going to rename it as mega menu. Okay, I'm going to change the text size to 50, like so. All right, and once that's done, go ahead over to canvas right here, and then under header, click on three dots, add a blank canvas or a canvas view. Then go ahead and add in one more. View 1, leave it blank. View 2 is what we need. Okay, so just leave it for now. Let's go ahead and add in an element. Okay, it could be a rectangle, an image, okay, as the background of the text. Let's say I wanted it to be a oval. All right, just to make it interesting, make it bigger like that. Okay, now let's go ahead and add in some more title or text right here. Maybe I'll change the color of the background here for the oval, maybe that. Okay, title, let's just copy and paste it. Okay, make it even more beautiful. Okay, just be more creative, but just for this example, I'm just going to make it simple like so. All right, so this basically is a mega menu because it got a large collection of navigational links. So these are not links for now. Okay, let's go ahead and make sure in the left panel that these are under the view 2 section. Okay, now text, maybe title 1. Okay, for title 1, go ahead and click on it and make sure that it is highlighted, and then go ahead and go to click animations. Make sure that it is a link and the type is maybe a page. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and select page right here, and right here we have these pages. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and select one for Instagram, title 2, maybe a URL. Okay, if you must, I'm gonna go ahead and choose URL, put that in here. I'm just going to leave everything else blank. Okay, and once that's done, don't forget the mega menu right here at the top. Okay, make sure that the type is set to canvas, canvas, this canvas, the canvas view. Don't forget about the view 2. Select view 2 right here, and then once done, you can now go ahead and test it out. Preview. Here we have the mega menu. You can go ahead and make it interesting like an animation. You can go ahead and add in animations for this text. Click on it, and here we have the mega menu. Okay, now when we click on title 1 right here, as you can see, here I have my Instagram feed. Okay, and then when we tap on title 2, which is supposed to be a link right here, mega menu, title 2, that is actually for YouTube. Okay, this is our YouTube channel. But that is it. That is how you make a menu here in Showit. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.